Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. Today's Chainlink technical analysis YouTube video, guys. Yes guys, the Chainlink price is going to $2. No joke. Clear evidence. This will be a very good one right here also. You can see here guys, since the Chainlink price, it goes all back from September 25, 2017, using this Binance chart right here in the weekly time frame. You can see that the Chainlink chart was forming this support here, resistance, support, broke out, confirmed this as this resistance and confirmed this as support, then completed the target right here, then pull back. And that price target I will manually draw it so you can see right there, beautiful, and there you go, very beautiful, and it met the target exactly as mentioned there. And so also you see here, chain price formed this bullish flag, this bull flag right here. Support, resistance, supports, resistance, supports, resistance. This didn't get retested because this was a bull flag. Usually it goes to the upside like this, straightforward, and that price target was met very beautifully. You can count this in the just like this to be conservative, like this. Met the target there, and if you put it right there, also it met the target. You can see right there, very beautifully, very beautiful. And there, that was a very good move. This percentage gains, look at this, from here to here, that was around a 1000%. That was around a 1080% move, 1080% move. And from here to here, look at this, from here to here, that was around a 2300%, 2300%. Look at that, very beautiful, and met the target right there, very beautiful. And now the Chainlink price is forming this huge head and shoulders, and this head and shoulders has already broken out here. Look at this, here was support here, and it broke down. And now usually this head and shoulders usually go very quickly. There's no like bounce. The same with the almost the same with the bear flags. They usually just go straight to the side where it broke. So if it's a bull flag, expect for the continuation to the upside very continuously without having pullbacks. Or you can have pullbacks, but not that much, so you can have a chance to re-enter. And at the same time, the same thing goes to the other way, which will be the bear flag. It will continue going down straightforward, and very rare, in most cases it will not have a huge bounce, so you can have the opportunity to enter the trade and then keep going to the downside. So at the moment, the price target using this head and shoulders, if you measure it like this, I already have it drawn, but I just want to draw it so you can see what I mean here and there. That is the price target around this range. Let's see here. It is around $2.80. No, it's $2.08 for that Chainlink price for it to be met. And because we're in a Schmidt, and because we're in a super Schmidt, I would definitely say that's going to happen. That's going to happen. Okay, my view. Trading patterns right here. I already show you guys the evidence. These trading patterns are no joke when you see them in the weekly time frame, monthly time frames, daily time frames. At least with the weekly time frames and monthly time frames, those are no jokes. Daily time frames, very rare occasions where you can see fake outs. For time frame patterns can have more fake outs. in a more consistent way compared to the daily time frame, and so on. The lower the time frame, the more fake outs usually will be. The higher the time frame patterns, the higher the probability will not be a fake out. And so right here, guys, it hasn't failed at the moment. This patterns using the weekly time frame for the Chainlink price, and also this if you measure the downside movement from here to here, that will be around an 83% move right there from the break of that neckline over there. And so right now here is the Chainlink price is around that $6.40 the Chainlink price is around the $6.40 range. So when it finally decides to go down to that price target, because this already has another pattern form, which I'm gonna show you guys. This will be another, wow, 68% from here. Wow. And so, and you can see right here, guys, you see another pattern here. This is a bear flag forming right here like this, and then the price target will be around here, around this $2.77. The price target for this bear flag in the weekly time frame for the Chainlink price will be around this $2.76 range right there, and that will be a move from the price it is right now to here, a 56% move around there. So if you measure it from the break of the support, then it would be just, wow, 48%. It's still a big move. And so, and the look at this, from here to here, you draw it like this, and then you put it like this, and boom, around that range. This will be exact. And there, exactly to the target right there. Beautiful. And yeah, yes, guys, the Chainlink price can do that, especially when the Bitcoin price is pulling back, which most likely it's going to keep going lower. And usually in the bearish markets, in the Bitcoin price, especially when you have a super Shemitah, Bitcoin dominance goes up. So also you don't need the Bitcoin price to keep going lower for the Chainlink to go lower. The Bitcoin dominance can just regain more dominance and increase in its percentage gains, and then the Chainlink price can keep going lower. But this will be the key support levels, the pink lines you see right here. The worst case scenario I would say at the moment will be, this includes almost all factors, $1.52 range for the Chainlink price. That is not the most likely scenario at the moment. The most likely scenario will be around this $2.04 range right here, because of this head and shoulders. And as I show you guys, these patterns are no jokes. These horizontal resistances right here, and I will show you the support levels very quickly, guys. So if the Chainlink price can't hold this support level on this bear flag around this $5.50 range, then expect for the Chainlink price to retest this level around this $4.85 range right here. That comes from this previous resistance, with a lot of resistance right here, which will be new support if this Chainlink price hold this support. And most of the times it will do that when you have this strong confluence of resistance and eventually being retested as support. And if that's $4.85 range doesn't hold as support, expect for the Chainlink price to go to around this $3.52 range. And if that support doesn't hold, expect for the Chainlink price to go to this $2.74 range. And also expect for the Chainlink price to also meet this $2.40 range. And if this doesn't hold right there, then expect for the Chainlink price to hold very strong support also around this $1.51 range. those will be the support levels right now, looking at the Chainlink price. And I'm gonna show you guys something very interesting using the Fibonacci retracements in the bearish retracements. Just a second here, guys. Okay, guys, so this is very interesting right here because you can see I pulled the bearish retracement from the previous all-time low for the Chainlink price right here to the top of the Chainlink's all-time high right here, and you can see the Chainlink price was holding this golden pocket for some time now. Didn't help that much. It was kind of okay support. It wasn't respected very much right here. Usually when you come down to this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement and around this $21 range, and this 0.65 Fibonacci retracement around this $19 range, usually that will hold as very strong support. It held for it worked, but at the same time it just almost didn't. So from what I'm seeing here, guys, this Fibonacci retracement, this 0.888, which I learned this using the Waters Above Crypto, that's one of the retracements he uses, and I already tested this before. It's very, very accurate usually. And usually when almost any cryptocurrency, if it closes below this 0.888 Fibonacci retracement, expect continuation to the downside. And if it's inverse, which is the bullish retracements, then when it breaks that 0.888 Fibonacci retracement, which be around this level, then expect continuation to the upside. And it's a very accurate, very, very useful thing. I want to give credit to Waters Above Crypto about that. And you can see right here, that line is here. Look at that. That's around that $6.25 range, and you can see that you can see the Chainlink price is respecting that line over here. Wick support. It doesn't even let the daily body candle close. It doesn't even let the weekly body candle close below here. It doesn't let for that weekly body candle close in the Chainlink price to close below that 0.888 Fibonacci retracement around that $6.25 range. You get that very strong support right there. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing right now at the Chainlink price. Those are the price targets I'm seeing. Those are the most updated overview I'm seeing right now in the Chainlink price, and eventually this is a very good buying opportunity around these levels right here. I will keep buying Chainlink. I keep buying Chainlink, so I know that this is going to be retested. It's just no doubt about that. It's just around this next month, I'm gonna just remind you guys, hey, I told you if you didn't listen. But you know, I'm just helping you guys stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market before most people just reacts with the price movement. I already know most of the movements, and so you can be prepared. So that's why I want to show you guys how I do them, how do I prepare, and from there on you can just not be emotional when you see this price targets being met. Because if you're looking at an exchange, just the prices, oh wow, $10 now, $20 now, $12 now, next day $15. Those are not very good ways to predict if the underlying upper line crypto is going to do good or bad, because they're not seeing this chart. You can see up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. If the only thing you use for determining the crypto prices is only looking at the, like for example, the Coinbase price alerts and things like that, and you see the Bitcoin price going from 40,000 to $32,000. Most people would think when they see that pullback and they present you that percentage move, that pullback, oh my gosh, it's going to go lower. Look at that $8,000 pullback. Oh my gosh. But if you're seeing at the chart, it can be a very strong support. Like for example, around this, I'm not saying that this is a 28,000. I'm not saying that this is a $32,000, but for example purposes, you can see right here. Let's assume $54 for the Chainlink price. And then you see Coinbase, it says pullback next day, $15 for the Chainlink price. Oh my God, it's going to go lower. And then pull uptrend to that $40 level. And then on the people who just see those price alerts, oh, it's bullish, and boom. And again, it's just, you have to be aware of that. That's why using technical analysis is a very efficient way to determine what is the most of the times the next movement for the cryptocurrency, for most good cryptocurrencies. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also, guys, click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, guys. And also you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite, a VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets. And thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.